have a bar pan right here, and I put some saltine crackers, and I just layered it with some parchment paper. Okay, we're gonna set that to the side. And over here in my pan, I'm gonna melt 2 sticks of butter. Just like that. And I got it over medium heat. Not sure if I said that or not. And then we're gonna add 1 cup of brown sugar to that. Okay. And then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of this vanilla. There you go. All right, and then we're just gonna go ahead and get all that melted just like that. Okay, and I have it on a medium heat. If you see your butter burning, turn that baby down. So we just want to melt this butter real slowly, just like this. Oh, something about sugar and butter. Now you also want to make sure that that brown sugar has melted as well. You don't want any granules in your sauce. All right, so now we're gonna remove it from the heat, and we're gonna spread this all over our crackers. Oh, this is, can you smell how sweet this is, y'all? Look at this. It is so good. Okay, woo! Move this over here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and spread some of this around so all of the crackers are gonna get some of that nice brown sugar and butter sauce. We're gonna put this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 5 minutes. I just pulled it out of the oven and it is nice and bubbly, y'all. Okay, next we're gonna add a cup of this chocolate chips right here. These are the minis, but you can definitely use the regular size. Okay, now we're gonna put it in the oven for just 2 more minutes. All right, so that did not take long. Now look how those chocolates have now melted all in, y'all. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good. Look at this. Is your mouth melting yet, y'all? Whoo, this is beautiful. It's gonna be so good. Now y'all be careful when you're spreading. That pan is hot, so use a mitten, okay? Look at that. So delicious. This is optional. We're gonna add some pecans. You could also add walnuts if you wanted to, or just leave them out. We're gonna do half pecans. Oh yeah, look at that. So good. And then we're gonna do the other half with some coarse sea salt. We're gonna go ahead and add a little bit on the pecan side as well. Now this is pretty coarse, so I'm just doing a little bit. Y'all, this is looking so good. I am so excited. Now we have to put this in the refrigerator until it firms up. All right, so this has been chilling for about 20 minutes and it's nice and firm. All right, let's go ahead and cut this. This looks so good. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. Wow. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and put that on the plate here. There's that. Oh yeah. All right, let's get a little bit of this one over here. Ooh, yeah, nice and hard. Look at that. On the back side, and see how it went all the way through those crackers. All right, y'all, I am done to taste this. Y'all, this is so, so good. It is sweet. It has crunch to it. It's a little chewy, and that salt added on top is just really is the topping on the cake. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you try this.